Sentinel Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Sentinel Wallet app isn't your average crypto wallet. It's built around privacy, security, and decentralized internet access. But is it really the secure gateway it claims to be? Let's uncover the pros and cons so you can decide if it's worth your time. Starting with the pros, Sentinel Wallet stands out because it's part of the Sentinel network, a decentralized fin ecosystem. This means users can earn crypto by sharing their bandwidth while maintaining complete privacy. No central servers, no tracking, and no data collection. That's a big deal in today's digital world, where privacy often feels like a luxury. The wallet itself supports multiple assets, including ITVBean, which powers the Sentinel ecosystem. It's non-custodial, so your private keys and funds remain entirely under your control. For users who value autonomy and censorship resistance, that's a massive advantage. Another benefit is staking and rewards. By staking ITVBean directly through the app, users can earn passive income while also contributing to network security. The wallet also connects seamlessly to the Cosmos ecosystem, letting you manage other Cosmos-based tokens from one interface. Now for the cons. The biggest downside is that Sentinel isn't as beginner-friendly as mainstream wallets like Exodus or Trust Wallet. The interface, while functional, can feel a bit technical, especially for those new to DeFi or staking. Another limitation is liquidity and adoption. Since Sentinel's focus is niche privacy and fin services, it doesn't yet have the large trading or app integrations you'd find in more established wallets. In short, the Sentinel Wallet app is perfect for users who care deeply about privacy, decentralization, and earning passive rewards in a censorship-resistant network. But if you're looking for a sleek, all-in-one wallet for trading dozens of tokens, you might find it too specialized. Still, as digital privacy becomes more valuable than ever, Sentinel could be ahead of its time, and that's what makes it so intriguing.